the categorized takeoff layers helps you prepare for doing your takeoff calculations. It's used to assign the layers that your objects reside on to different categories. So if you go to takeoff and select the categorize command, what you'll see here are a series of tabs. The original tab would be used for your objects that make up your original surface or existing condition, so such as original ground contours or demolition pavement or your OG spot layers. So the data that's in this category is the data that's going to be used to create, in this case, your original ground surface, whereas in this tab, this data is being used to create your design surface. Along with that, you can assign site improvements. So the checkboxes identify that the objects on these layers contain potential boundaries. The other icon you see here has a site improvement associated to it, and that site improvement in this case is defined to calculate the length and volume of material based on the length of the object as well as the cross-sectional area. So in conjunction with your material site improvement manager and your site improvements, you not only categorize your layers, but you also assign the site improvements here with this tool. So any objects, again, that have 3D information and are in this specific category will be used to create your finished design surface. So when I go into the 3D view or I turn on the surface, you'll see that these contours here that make up our finished design are being used to create that surface. So all you have to do is put the objects on that layer called design contours in this case, and it will build that design surface. This is really the first step of preparing for doing your takeoff calculations.